Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. Let me introduce myself. I'm Sharmin Rahman, your English language teacher from Standard 6, Campus 1. So, today we're going to talk about adverbials, which we started in the previous lesson. In chapter 6, adverbials. So, we have discussed about the definition of adverbs and the types of adverbs. Today we're going to learn some more in this chapter. So, adverb phrase. So, before starting with adverb phrase, I would like you to know the definition of adverb phrase. So, let's begin. What is an adverbial phrase? An adverbial phrase, also referred to as an adverb phrase, is a multi-word phrase. That means there will be some 2-3 more words in a sentence, so which will describe like an adverb, which will show you like it's an adverb, and that takes the role of a verb in a sentence. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or even another adverb. A multi-word, that means adverbial phrase, can further modify an adjective, adverb, and a verb. That means, and as we know that adverb phrase does the work of an adverb, that means it may include an adverb along with other words like prepositions, nouns, verbs, and modifiers that together will do the work of an adverb. Okay. Now we can see that adverb phrases are known to answer the question that describes how, when, where, or how something was done. That means the action. It will describe the action. That means the verb. And it will also answer the question, which is how, when, where, or how something was done. So as shown in the following adverb phrases example, let's look at this. I kept the luggage. I kept luggage here. I kept the luggage right here. I kept the luggage right here in front of the kitchen. So as you can see, the similar thing but with some additional words which is describing the verb in a different manner. Like the first one, we can see I kept the luggage. It just simply is showing us the action. And the next example is we can see the I kept the luggage here. So where did you kept it? I kept the luggage here. So as you can see, the action was taken where? Here. See the next example. I kept the luggage right here. Some additional words are added here. And also the last one, I kept the luggage right here in front of the kitchen. It is giving us some more details of the action. So as you can see that adverb phrases are some of the group of multi-words actually, which is showing us all together a work of an adverb. Adverb phrase show when, where, how, and why. That means it will describe these few questions. Just like adverbs, adverb phrases modify other words by describing when, where, why, or how something was done. They can also explain the condition of an object or action or the extent to which an action or object was affected. Let's look at the following example. He rode the motorbike as carefully as possible. Here, drove is the main verb, right? So, or rode is the main verb. Here we can see rode or drove, or both we can write. Okay, so these two are verb, and as carefully as possible is the adverb phrase which explains how the motorist acted. So the verb is defined by this few group of words, which is as carefully as possible, which is all together is describing or is working like an adverb. Let's see some of the adverb words, actually the questions which is answering by adverbial phrases. Adverb phrase that describes when. Some of the examples for that: as fast as possible, anytime, today afternoon, after the break, before midnight. Okay, Now we'll see adverb phrases that describes where. So some of the examples for it right here. At home, around the sun, by the mailbox, under the table, right here. As you can see, where, the location it is describing. Now see adverb phrases that describes how. Quite interesting, doing well, enjoyable, very well, quite easily. Now we will see adverb phrases that describes why. It will describe why. To record a statement, for committing crime, for pity's sake, to revise thoroughly, to have a happy marriage. So we can see that this is describing why. This is tell you the why that action is happening or happened. Some examples for adverb phrases so that you can know how to use it. And in your exam, actually what you have to learn is how to identify adverb phrases in a sentence, and you have to identify the accurate adverb phrases, and also you may need to know that which one is correct and which was not, which is given in your book exercises. You may have to do it. Okay, in the next classes I will tell you, but now we can see some examples so that we can learn adverb phrases. So adverb phrases can be used at any point in a sentence. It can be start with it or it can be end with it. So this is highlighted in the following adverbs examples. See, meet her at the Bridge Hotel this afternoon. So as you can see, at the Bridge Hotel this afternoon is highlighted. This part is adverb phrase, and meet her is our verb, and where to meet? At the Bridge Hotel this afternoon. So like this way we have some of the examples over here. Without reasoning, she took away her life. He completed the task assigned as quickly as possible. He completed the task hurriedly. Peter needs to ride her new motorbike much more carefully. To have a clear view of mountain, John climbed to the top. She walks to school every day. So here are some of the adverbs, which is just a single, like this one, he completed the task hurriedly, and also with multiple words altogether, which is working like an adverb. So these are some of the adverb phrases example, as you can know. So by looking at this, you can easily identify or choose which one is adverb phrase from any of the sentences. So this is the end of the lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching it. Take care everyone. Bye bye.